Hi guys, here we go again. We came here for our friend's wedding. Manu is in a wedding, so he will be the ring bearer. And we are on our way right now for the rehearsal, I guess. And yeah, so we'll be taking us a long way with us and show you guys, you know, a little tour. Does Manu look cute today? No. No? Manu doesn't look cute?
Oh, Manu.
This is so gorgeous here. As everyone's ready for the rehearsal. Man, it looks like it's gonna rain. Now the wedding rehearsal is over now, so we're gonna go to the restaurant and eat a little something. Yeah, this is a gorgeous place. It's really pretty. And let's go to the car. Oh my gosh, I don't want to go wet. So yeah. Guys, we have Manu first time at the bar.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate it. And everybody was, you know, mingle, take your time. Okay, and then
good morning guys, on the road for the wedding, for our friend's wedding. She's a sweetheart.
Well, first we're gonna stop on Broadway at the beach. Take some
we're
pictures.
stopping there? Yay, nice. So we'll be stopping there and taking some pictures at the Broadway on the beach. Yay. Hi. Hi, and we have Mr. B here.
Hello.
Hi. Manu, wanna say hi? Hi. Manu saying hi. Oh. that, Manu?
12 to 35.
Minions. Manu. What is that, Manu?
Nemo.
What is that, baby? Nemo?
Wow.
Oh. Is that a wolf? What is that, popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh, Manu likes popcorn? Colorful rainbow popcorn. No. Manu has one.
So water taffy is they put it out. They put it on this machine, they twist it and stirs it, and then they lay it out on this thing and it rolls it out.
Yes.
Manu's at the candy store. Manu? Salty toffee store. Manu have one ball. So guys, my husband got us some saltwater taffy. So basically, I never had it in my whole entire life. So today will be the day that I'll be trying saltwater taffy. So stay tuned. So I have it here.
It is.
I don't know what flavor is it. Strawberry?
I'm gonna go with mint strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake?
Mint, yes.
What do you think, Vagabond?
Mint.
Mint?
Because
And that's
I
it?
just got that one, and I just got salt one.
So what the hell does saltwater taste like?
I like salty water.
Salty water. Okay.
It does taste like salt water.
Is it supposed to be chewy?
Yeah.
Alright. Minty?
Mint? Oh no, it's peppermint.
Peppermint. Right.
Everyone, stop picking the same ones for everyone.
Well, I didn't have that one.
I got the peppermint. So basically I was wrong. My husband was wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna try
Vagabond got
this.
it right?
Yeah.
Did you get it right?
Yeah, I did.
Vagabond got it right. It's like all minty. I don't know what I'm supposed to. You want some?
You can eat it all.
Have some, try some. What is it?
Uh-oh.
What color is this, Manu? Purple. Good job. I wonder what flavor is
I
that.
think it might be grape.
Now I wonder what.
Purple, I'm going with blueberry.
Blueberry? This stuff is so tricky. I don't really know anymore.
Yeah, I guess it was grape.
So there it is.
Blueberry. Pokemon one with grape.
Huh? Yeah.
Pokemon, did you just try the same one Mommy did?
I guess they think it's blueberry.
I just figured out.
Which one?
I
You
figured
figured
out
out?
four.
Manu wants to say hi. Hi, baby. Oopsie. Okay, first experience trying the saltwater taffy.
taffy.
And little salty.
South Carolina is known for its saltwater taffy. So we ordered about 2 pounds of saltwater taffy of every flavor and every variety. And we just tasted some. Some we didn't like, some we liked, some were minty, some were weird.
Okay guys, so the wedding was a success. So now we have to get ready for the reception now. I'm here right now with Mr. B. Say hi. So it was all good. So we're gonna go inside for the reception now. Talk to you guys soon. Hi, how are you? Good. Nice to see you guys. See you guys soon. Bye. Now we have to go inside to get some drinks. And yep, I guess it is what it is right now.
Oh, and guys, I'm editing today.
Yay. Hi, is that a photo booth? Oh nice, when does it start?
Anytime.
Anytime? Okay, let me find my husband and then we'll be back here. Okay, see you guys soon. We have to look for my husband. It's so much nicer here. Daddy! What Mama's doing?
We're out here just exploring. Mom's keeping me busy. I got all my rings on my Apple, chasing after Manu.
Oh nice, you complete them all?
Oh yeah, Manu keeps me busy.
Amazing.
Don't kiss the bubbles.
Thank you.